to the precious little island. There's beautiful, beautiful mangroves here, and it's actually a spectacular beach. I'll bet the beach is mostly man-made, but it still makes for a gorgeous day. Pretty windy today, so the barrier reef snorkeling was canceled. Fair enough. We will take an adventure and see what fish we can see. Johnny. They have a wonderful little shopping area, and then you can head to where they have their island services. Here's the pool area through here. If you walk this way, you'll end up towards the parrots and the manatees and the beaches and the zip line. Welcome to the wildlife experience. I love the vistas. The vegetation and the flowers are spectacular. Hi, beautiful. Welcome to Butterfly Gardens. In the different stages. And this will be the entranceway to the beach. They have restroom, showers, there's lockers. You can rent cabanas for the day if you would like. And then they have the lighthouse, and that is where they take off for the zip lining. Lagoon area where you can go out on the paddle boards. Or, yeah, pedal boards. No swimming in this area, but it takes you round through the mangroves, and there's manatees and turtles and the local wildlife from. Jonathan's going to go take a look at the flight house where the ziplining takes off from. So this is the beach area. The swimming area is pretty laid out. You can basically snorkel around the rocks right there in front of us, and they've got the marker buoys. They don't want you going out any further. Right where that orange yellow hammock trampoline is there's a few corals in the man-made beach there. So I'm sure there's some fish to see and some nice things to look at, and it gets you in the water. I am so in love with the palm trees. It's lovely shade. And the one nice thing is our tiny ship, Sirena, docked over there. Makes for a very quiet day on this island. Absolute stellar paradise. So quiet here. Our transportation around the island, should anyone desire. Quite a few different things to keep you busy for the day. quite shocked and impressed actually. During COVID and the pandemic, it looks like they've done a lot of work to harvest Caye, and it has a lot more infrastructure and way more shops than it had before. It was pretty quiet in the past, but
yeah. Here we go. Okay. Right here. Here and here? Yeah. All right. All right. Sit in your harness. John. Awesome. All right, thank you. Except for my belly hits. Woo!
here's one for you, Vancouver International. Even NCL has a first aid station at the beach, and our airport doesn't.